Managers are notified of new holiday requests by email automatically. To submit your response to the request, you can either choose one of the options on the email or head to the online portal. In either case, you will need to log in to Engage in order to confirm your decision. There are 3 ways to respond to the request: approve, deny, or suggest amendments. If you want to check the holiday calendar for your team before making the decision, log in to Engage. Tick the boxes for the relevant departments on the left side to see what other holidays have already been requested or booked. Holiday profiles show you all the periods of leave the employee has requested or booked and how many days have been taken in total. Once you've made your decision, you can click on the link in the email or on the holiday request in the calendar to submit it. To approve the request, just choose Approve. To deny, you are required to give a reason why you've made that decision, and the employee will be able to see your input. You can also add notes where needed. The last option is to suggest amendments, for example, different dates for the holiday. If you do that, the employee will be given a chance to agree to your changes or cancel or resubmit the request with their own changes. If they resubmit, you'll be notified of that by email again.